I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX. Hey everybody, so this is going to be cleaning out the MidTower Deluxe. And I guess we could call this a case of do as I say, not as I do. You know, I always recommend to you guys on videos regarding computers, cleaning them out. I've always recommended that you regularly clean out your PC. But again, this is a case of do as I say, not as I do, because the MidTower Deluxe kind of neglected over the past year and a half, roughly. I think the last time this system has seen a clean out was probably back in early 2021 or late 2020, because last year I had the home project going on for most of 2021, and well, this year just didn't do it. So you can see it's pretty dang filthy, and I'm getting ready to do some work on this system. Going to be changing out the hard drives in it for some bigger ones, and probably doing a couple other little miscellaneous things. So definitely time to get this thing cleaned out. And I mean, it is filthy, bad filthy. I guess the reason why I sort of neglect this one's because, well, it's water cooled, so I mean, CPU heat gets dumped outside anyway. Overheating has never really been a problem with this thing with the liquid cooling. And I must say the wind is already helping clean it out. Because even the wind blowing a little bit out here is sort of breaking some dust loose. That being said, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's a close look at things. Stick that back in. These little LEDs on this one block, they're notorious for just falling right out. They're really good at that. You can see that one there just did it too. But yeah, the thing was definitely overdue for a cleaning. Now, if this was an air-cooled system, yeah, if this thing was air-cooled on the CPU, yeah, there definitely would have been some overheating problems. But yeah, since we had the liquid cooling system, it doesn't really affect it that much until this gets really clogged up. But yeah, I'd say it's pretty clean for the most part. So this system's about to get a RAID 10 set up. These 4 hard drives are coming out. We got a 4 terabyte backup drive. We have 3 2 terabyte drives in there right now. 2 of these are my data partition. They're in a RAID 0. And we have a second, or an extra 2 terabyte drive that's just for general storage. This may end up going back in the system at some point. I may get me a 5 1/4 inch to 3 1/2 inch drive adapter, stick it up here somewhere, or I may throw it in the plexi. I don't know. But yeah, so big changes are coming. Also, I'm planning on getting rid of this outdated CCFL stuff. I mean, this motherboard supports RGB LEDs, and somewhere I gotta hunt them down. Got some RGB strips, and I'm also going to retrofit the LEDs in front of this case, except for the power LED. But the ones that are in these little bubble strips, they're getting retrofitted to RGB. That's my plan anyway. But first and foremost, we're going to be doing the hard drive swap, and that means I'm taking this system out of service for a few days, and I have the Cube Computer Porta-Cube system sitting in there at my desk right now as my backup system. But yeah, MidTower Deluxe is cleaned out, ready to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that wraps it up for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to CubeComputer channel, and be sure to tick the bell. That way you get notified of new video posts. Also, I recommend following CubeComputer Company on Facebook. A link is in the video description. In addition to computer tech videos, I have a second channel, CubeComp MTDX. Links are available at the end of this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching and your support.